Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in analyzing and visualizing data with Microsoft Power BI. So let's get started. Question number 1. You have a workspace that contains 10 dashboards. A dashboard named Sales Data displays data from 2 datasets. You discover that users are unable to find data on the dashboard by using natural language queries. You need to ensure that the users can find data by using natural language queries. What should you do? Your options are: A. From the settings of the workspace, modify the language settings. B. From the Sales Data dashboard, set the dashboard as a favorite. C. From the properties of the datasets, modify the Q&A and Cortana settings. D. From the properties of the dashboard, modify the Q&A settings. The correct answer is option C. Question number 2. You manage a Power BI model that has 2 tables named Sales and Product. You need to ensure that a sales team can view only data that has a country region name value of United States, and a product category value of clothing. What should you do from Power BI Desktop? Your options are: the correct answer is option A. Question number 3. You create a report in the Power BI service that displays the following visualizations. Your options are: 1. A KPI that displays the count of customers. 2. A table that displays the count of customers by country. 3. A line chart that displays the count of customers by year. You need to receive an alert when the total number of customers reaches 10,000. What should you do first? Your options are: A. Pin the line chart to a dashboard. B. Pin the KPI to a dashboard. C. Embed the report into a Microsoft SharePoint page. D. Pin the report to a dashboard. The correct answer is option D. A Power BI dashboard that displays different visualizations of company sales. You enable Q&A on the dashboard. You need to provide users with sample questions that they can ask when using Q&A. Which settings should you modify from the Power BI settings? Your options are: A. Subscriptions. B. Workbooks. C. Dashboards. D. Datasets. The correct answer is option D. Number 5. You have an app workspace named Retail Store Analysis in the Power BI service. You need to manage the members that have access to the app workspace using the least amount of administrative effort. What should you do? Your options are: A. From the Office 365 Admin Center, click Users. B. From the Power BI Admin Portal, click Tenant Settings. C. From the Power BI Admin Portal, click Usage Metrics. D. From the Office 365 Admin Center, click Groups. The correct answer is option D. Number 6. You have a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet that contains a table named Sales. You need to add the sales table to a Power BI dashboard as a tile. How should you configure the tile? Your options are: A. From the Power BI service, import the data from the Excel workbook. B. From Excel, publish the workbook to the Power BI service. C. From the Power BI tab in Excel, pin the table. D. From the Power BI service, upload the Excel workbook. The correct answer is option C. You use Power BI Desktop to create a visualization for a Microsoft SQL Server data source. You need to ensure that you can use our visualization. Which 2 actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Your options are: A. Download and install Microsoft R Server. B. Download and install RStudio Server on the computer that has Power BI Desktop installed. C. Install SQL Server R services on the server that runs SQL Server. D. Enable R scripting on the computer that has Power BI Desktop installed. E. Download and install Microsoft R on the computer that has Power BI Desktop installed. The correct answer is option E. You have a Power BI model that contains the following 2 tables. 1. Sales with the following. 2. Customer with the following. There is a relationship between sales and customer. You need to create a measure to rank the customers based on their total sales amount. Which DAX formula should you use? Your options are. The correct answer is option A. You have a Microsoft SharePoint online site named Sales. Your company has 1,000 sales users. All the sales users can access sales. You create a report in an app workspace in the Power BI service. You embed the report into a page on the sales site by using the Power BI web part. You need to ensure that all the sales users can view the report from the sales site. What should you do? Your options are. A. Configure the portal site connection for the sales site. B. Enable anonymous access for the sales site. C. Configure the app workspace for premium capacity. D. Disable the embed content in app setting from the tenant settings in Power BI. The correct answer is option C. You plan to deploy a Power BI app workspace that will be viewed by 10,000 users. You need to ensure that dashboard data can be updated every 30 minutes. What should you do? Your options are. A. Assign each user a Power BI Pro license. B. Store the dataset in Microsoft Azure Storage that uses the premium storage tier. C. Create the app workspace by using an account that is assigned a Power BI Pro license. D. Configure the app workspace for premium capacity. The correct answer is option D. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.